morning! Walk up like this! Look! Congratulations! Andresa Merosas, isa sa original Disundo. Ayan, pinangatawanan ko na mga bagong gising at walang bumog. Congratulations! Sige, wala akong time. Ayan. Masyadong fresh. Ako po. Congratulations! Ang saya ng umaga. Monetize na. Yay! Mawawala na sa landas. Ang hasyendera ng Cyprus. Congratulations! Disundo is always here for you. Kahit saan ba magpunta, original Disundo baby ka pa rin. Pag magbabago, enjoy lang ang pag-YouTube. Baka mapalayas ang jowa. Sige! Damay-damay na ang iBag. Good morning!
Hi, Marts! So, I wanna congratulate you dahil ang channel mo ay monetize na. Parang kailan lang, di ba? The first time you went to my LS. And then, from then on, our connection hasn't really been cut. And I'm so glad na ikaw ay naging Marts ko dito sa YT. And I am so proud of what you have achieved already. Dahil din yan sa hard work mo. And I wanna say that I'm just gonna be around to support you all the way. And also thank you for always being so supportive of me and sa channel ko rin. So continue doing what you love doing because you are making other people happy because of your channel and your support. And I'll see you around. Congratulations. Bye. Love you, Mark.
Congratulations! Congratulations! Ayan, binabati kita ng congratulations, my dear Andresa. Isa ka ng monetized channel. And of course, part ka na ng YouTube. Sabi nga nila, pag money na daw, sabi ko nila, nandun na yung mga simptomas. Pero, nakikita ko naman, hindi ka ganoon kasi nandiyan ka lagi sa GC at ang napakasipag mo sa LS bagay. Buti kasi yung husband mo very supportive sa'yo, nakasupport sa'yo. Kahit anong support namin ng GC, nararamdaman ko rin yung support ng husband mo, yung family mo, nandyan lagi sa side mo na So, anyway, good luck for the next journey and thank you for everything na ginagamit mo yung mga mo sa akin for thumbs up. Salamat na maraming salamat. Talagang hindi ka nakakalimot na nandyan ka lagi. Thank you so much and congratulations, my dear. God bless. Sana may mag-viral kang video para naman malaki at kikitain mo. Good luck. Bye. Love you. Mwah. 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 Mwah.
Hi, Sis Andresa. Congratulations to you. So, isang ganap na monetized channel ka na din. Salamat sa support sa Kruk. Lagi kang nandun pag nagbababa ako ng link. So, more power to your channel. More uploads, more LS, more content, more vlogs, and more instant premiere para madami akong may paharang sa'yo. God bless.
Ate Andresa May Roses, congratulations ate. Dahil monetize na ang iyong channel, good luck sa iyong bagong journey as a monetize. Ayun, congrats sa'yo. At sana, ipagpatuloy mo pa rin yung pag-susupport mo sa amin. Pero, nandito lang kami, Team Disundo for you. And we love you, mga kapetchay. Love you, ate.
Congratulations, Ma'am Andresa. Muli ka na. Maraming salamat kay Lord.
Andressa May Roses for her monetized channel. Congratulations to you, Langga. Oh my! Wow, wow, wow! You really is a star. You made it. You made it despite of the hardship, and we know that you work hard for it. So hooray for you! You deserve it. Yeah. What else can I say? Please continue to inspire, to help others, and to continue motivating others like us who just started to do our YouTube channel. I'm sure in few days, in a few months, maybe in a year, we will join you guys. So yeah, hooray, happy hooray. Yay, party.
Hello, Ate Andressa. Congratulations! And you are now a monetized channel. So, marami na tayo sa Team Dusundo as well. Masasabi ko lang maraming salamat sa iyo, at isa ka sa taong sobrang supportive sa lahat. And thank you also for supporting me. And now that we are the same, so sana mag-grow pa ang mga channel natin. And always remember that we are always here for you, the Team Dusundo and your other YT friends. Ingat po, ate, and also your family. And sana magkita tayo soon sa Philippines and sana sa sulok ng mundo. Ingat, ate. God bless you. Love you.
Hi guys, it's me, see you in Greece. Binabati ko ang aking mahal na sister na si Andressa May Roses. Now you're a monetized channels. Congratulations, you deserve it. Sulit lahat ng pagod at hirap. You deserve it. Give it up. God bless. Thanks sa lahat ng support mo sa akin. Thank you very much. I love you, sis. Team Dusundo.
Congratulations, Andressa May Roses, for being monetized channel. I'm so proud of you. At pagbigyan pa natin dahil kailangan natin mag-gain yung 10,000 subscriber in a year. I love you and I will support you always. Love you. Bye-bye. Nevis here.
This is Musikero Gods, and I would like to congratulate Andressa May Roses for being a monetized channel. Ayun, sorry kung naahuli na itong aking congratulatory message sa'yo, but it's better than late than never. Ika nga nila. Ayun, congratulations to you, my sis loves, dahil nakamit mo na yung matagal mo na rin minimiti ang ma-monetize ang iyong channel, at ngayon ay monetize ka na nga. Ayun, good luck at good luck sa iyong journey dito sa YT at more subscriber na darating pa at more revenue, diba? Siyempre, dahil yan naman ang talagang goal natin ngayon ay ang revenue natin kasi mga monetize na tayo. Ayun, andito lang ang buong team ng Team Dusundo na laging magsusupport sa iyo, ayan, sa ating lahat. Ayan, and good luck, God bless, and that's it, bye!
Ayun. Hi, loves. I just want to congratulate you for being a monetized channel now. Loves, I'm very happy for you. And, ayun, nakamit mo na nga ang iyong minimitis to be a certified YouTuber. Ayun. Ngayon, partner ka na talaga ni Lolo. I'm happy for you na, ayun, na nagbunga na ang iyong paghihirap gabi-gabi. And, you know, lahat na paghihirap. Okay? Loves, just enjoy. And thank you so much sa pagtulong din sa channel ko. And God bless. Love you. Thank you.
Hello,
Thank you.
hello. Ako, inyong Amegan, si Anna Banana, si Food Vlogger. And I just want to congratulate Andressa May Roses for being monetized. I'm honored to be a part of this video to celebrate your big wins. I'm sure Team Dusundo is so proud of your achievement. Again, congratulations. You deserve this.
Andressa May Roses.
pinagdadaanan. Diba? Good luck.
Hi, Sis Andresa. Ayan, congratulations sa pagiging monetize mo as yung ng iyong YT channel. And alam ko kung ano yung pinagdaanan mo, yung sakripisyo mo, para lang dito sa YT channel. And actually, parehas tayo. And so, alam mo na I'm very proud of you and I'm very, very happy sa narating mo ngayon. And pagpatuloy mo lang yan, sis. And alam mo na nandito ako and yung CY family, kami ng mga friends mo na we're just here to support you. And we're very proud of you. Again, congratulations, Sisi. Love you!
Good morning, Sis Andresa. Hello. By the way, congratulations for being a monetized channel ka na ngayon. So, eto na yun, yung hinihintay mo. And wish you all the best and keep going. And thank you sa support din. Thank you for always being there for me. And minsan, nagugulan na ako. Sure lang. Thank you so much. And congratulations. I love you. Andito lang lahat. Andito lahat ng tinisundo to support you. I love you.
Hello, Ate Andresa. Honest congratulations to your channel. Monetized channel ka na, and I know how paano mo pinaghirapan yan. You're doing great. You really doing great. I'm happy for you and more blessings to you and more powers to your channel. Ayan, believe lang natin. Thank you so much for your support as well from my channel. And thank you for everything. Thank you for your love and support and for your courage. I love you.
Hi, Sis Andresa. Congratulations for being this channel. I wish you more success to your YouTube channel, sis. And I'm so proud of
Sorry, sobrang late yung video ko. Nabisi kaya ako, pero yun. Basta kita ko i-congratulate kasi monetize channel ka na. So, maging successful ang channel mo. Nakakapag-edit ka na kasi sorry talaga Steve. Kaya congrats ulit.
Hi, Ma'am Andresa. Congratulations po. Isa na po kayong monetize channel ngayon. Kami po ay masaya po para sa inyo. Sa inyo po narating sa wakas at nagbunga na po yung inyong mapagod, yung inyong pong gabi-gabi puyat. Kami po ay masaya po para po sa inyo. At enjoy lamang po. Nandito lamang po kami at marami po na support po sa inyo. Congratulations po muli. God bless you po.
Hello po, Madam Andresa. Nag-love shoutout sa iyo. Congratulations po, monetize channel ka na po. At sana yung pagka-monetize channel mo, umangat po yung viewers mo, WH, at revenue mo po. Sana ipagpatuloy mo lang po, Madam Andresa. Keep it up lang po. Stay safe and God bless you po.
Hello Ate Andresa, to all your viewers at this very moment. Isang magandang araw po sa lahat. Ayan, baby boy of Ate Sas, ng Team Disondo is here to say congratulations po sa success po ng channel nyo. Kasi monetize na po kayo. Yun. So I'm so happy and glad actually that I have met you through Team Disondo. Salamat po sa support at sa patuloy na pag-share ng content nyo na nagbibigay ng katuwaan sa mga nanonood. Yun. So keep on sharing, keep on vlogging, and I hope na patuloy po tayo magkaroon ng maraming bonding through Team Disondo and later on in person. Yan. This is Daddy Chris TV saying Bye-bye to everyone. Have a nice day. God bless.
First of all, gusto ko din congratulate for being a monetized channel now. Kaya finally ate, di ba? Pagkatapos ng lahat ng paghihirap mo, di ba? Sa oras na nilaan mo dito sa YT. And finally, naging monetized channel ka na. You're already a confirmed YouTuber. So yun natin. So maraming salamat sa pagsuporta mo sa mga LSS ko at sa pagsuporta sa Team Dusong. Sana more videos to upload para more ads to upload. So good luck sa journey mo dito sa YT World ate. Ayan, stay safe and God bless. See you around dito sa YT.
Isa sa pinaka mabait, very supportive na ate ko dito sa YouTube, Andressa May Roses. Congratulations dahil ikaw ay isa ng monetized channel. I'm praying na mas maging successful pa ang channel mo and maging successful ka rin even sa labas ng YT. I love you from Philippines to Cyprus. Mwah! Chup chup!
Hello, aking kabebe Andressa May Roses. Ayan, congratulations. I'm here to say happy birthday. Oh no, it's not happy birthday. I'm here to say and congratulate you for being a monetized channel. And I'm really happy for that. And I wish to your channel to grow your channel and create more content on your channel and enjoy the time being a YouTuber. Congratulations, and this is your Lola saying mahal kita. So bye for now and see you around. Congrats. Mwah.
Hello, Meme Andressa May Roses. This is your Julius Char Vlogs. Ng family of Kachars and of course our team Disundo po, and congratulations po Meme Andressa May Roses. Ay katagising ko lang talaga Meme, but I would like to say na deserve mo talaga ang pagiging isang monetized channel Meme, kasi nga you are a very hardworking person, talagang napaka-supportive mo at talagang mahal mo ang iyong mga kaibigan dito sa YT World. Meme Andressa, Meme, enjoy your blessing and once again, congratulations po Meme. Love you Meme.
Hello ate, congratulations sa'yo for being a monetized channel. So thank you also for being there, for helping me. And I hope na mas mapatuloy pa ang journey natin dito sa YouTube. And hopefully, hindi tayo magsasawa pa rin, diba, sa ating ginagawa. Lalo na sometimes talaga, meron talaga tayong busy days and talagang nakakapagod minsan. Yun nga, enjoyin lang din natin ang pag-YT. Kasi nga, though we are busy, diba? Nandun pa rin naman talaga yung amor natin sa pag-create ng mga videos. And God bless you. And regards to Mavi and Kuya Jeff, thank you din po. And God bless you more. And ingat po kayo lagi dyan. So I hope magkita-kita na rin po tayo ulit, no? Kasi sa tagal na rin ng panahon. So bye-bye and congrats! Once again. Hope
congratulations po sa YouTube channel. I am so proud of you. Andito lang po ako na laging sumusuporta sa iyo. Hindi lang po ang and thank you so much for making this channel at least kahit hindi ko mag-video kasi
Good morning and mabuhay from Philippines. I'd like to say congratulations sa babaeng napakasipag, napakamabait, napakamapagbigay. At syempre, ang kanoo ko, Tita Andressa May Roses, dahil monetize na po ang iyong YouTube channel. Yay! And you really deserved it. I know that God will really provide and give more blessings to those people who are magnanimous and altruistic enough to think of the welfare of anybody else. And I'm so proud na isa po ako sa taong natulungan niyo. And I'm so proud of you, Tita, as your pamangkin, as your subscriber, and as your follower. And hoping and wishing and excited for more amazing and inspiring content in your channel. I miss you here. Wish to see you here soon in the Philippines. Ingat po kayo dyan always sa Cyprus. And God bless you always. Love, love. Mwah.